Yesterday I was arrested and charged by the Spanish Town Police for malicious communication. Now, as you know, it is a police matter, and so I cannot get into any details because it's a court matter right now. But let me just hasten to say that this communication is without prejudice. Meaning, anything I say here cannot be used against me on the law without prejudice. And so, what I can tell you is that I have no idea what I have been charged for. The only thing I know, the only thing the police tell me, is the name of the complainant and the fact that it is malicious communication. Me beg them to tell me what me do. They say they not to tell me that. You know, if I hear something go so, apparently I'm being charged for words that I used. Shouldn't I be told the words that offend the law? They say they don't have to do that. Because apparently, we are living in a police state now. Apparently, this is a communist country now. And so any communication, any audio-visual product that the police are alleging that I made, me don't know them know say I make it. Me don't know them, no say no artificial intelligence. Me don't know them no say me have anything at all to do with it, but then charge me for it. Me don't know them established on me. Oh my Lord, I love these things. I love these things so much. This is my favorite time. When drama is unfolding. But what is important for you to know? All citizens of Jamaica, all law-abiding citizens of Jamaica should know that if you come catch John, a booger your son, and you go on social media and say John is a boogera, John is a pedophile and a boogera, the police can come for you, put on handcuff on you, throw you in a filthy, dirty, nasty jail cell where stink. Cause so the jail is staying. Man, all a do I use them do all I wipe their face in I jail them, you know. Do pan you, poop pan you, everything pan you in I jail them, you know. Dirty, nasty, chink, all kind of thing. All citizens of Jamaica should be aware that if you see a man a thief your car and you go on social media and say that that man is a thief, the police can come for you under a law, under a very, very stupid, very ambiguous, vague law named the Cyber Crimes Act. Them just pass it with here. Because this is now a communist country. We are living now in Russia or China where when you talk, the police can come for you and throw you in a jail. Who never see something, sir? Who no see me die in trial? If you see a man in your ackee tree, if you see Steve up in your ackee tree a thief, so hacky, and you go on social media and say Steve is a thief, that is degrading Steve. So whether or not you're speaking the truth, it doesn't matter. How absurd and ridiculous. Whether or not you are speaking the truth, it does not matter. The police can come for you, put a handcuff on you, fling you in a jail. You no ever hear something go so? You no didn't know say something go so? In a Jamaica, in a democratic Jamaica, Well, for all the people them who are rejoice, because I know say, me a whole heap of haters, you know, which me no mind, me love of haters. All the people them out there who are rejoice, say 119 got jail, because me chat too much. Me a rejoice more than you. I don't know alone I rejoice. And me a rejoice. Me not stop jumping for joy from yesterday. Because you know when the Lord was on the cross, and the Lord said, forgive them, Lord, because they know not what they have done. I saw me feel now. 119 are the wrong smarty. Wrong smarty. Because I am not like the typical Jamaican who said, cha, me can't bother ya. That's not 119. And I am not speaking specifically now about my case. I'm not speaking about this case. I am speaking in general terms. In general, people should know that when they press charges against you and you go to court and the court throw out the case or you win, you can turn around and sue them for everything they own. And if you sue them and they don't have no assets, whatever they own, you can go after even they close. So when people are going to the police to press charges, you know, be careful. Be very careful, because some of us Jamaicans, we know our rights, we know the laws, we are bright, we have sense, and we are not stupid. And the last policeman who charged me, I never even remember, because they asked me yesterday, they said, if I've ever been charged, and I said no. Let the record show that I am now correcting the record. Yes, I was charged by a police at the 100-man police station. The last policeman who charged me. When we got to court and the court fling out the case, I immediately sued. Immediately sued. And I collected an easy $2 million. $2 million I collect in my hand. Quick. So Jamaicans should know that you should stand up for your rights. And I, mark it on 10 on the calendar, I-119, I am going to strike down the cybercrimes law. It cannot stand. It is clearly unconstitutional and a breach of the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedoms. This is what the Charter says. All right, see it here? This is the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedoms. See it right just up? And it says that every Jamaican have the right to freedom of thought, conscience, belief, and observance of political doctrines. All right, that means. And every Jamaican has the right to freedom of expression. But this part is the part now that is most important. All of us have the right to seek, receive, distribute, or disseminate information, opinions, and ideas through any media. And of course, you know that includes social media. And this is the law, the supreme law of the land. The government can pass no law that abridges or encroaches on these rights unless those provisions are demonstrably justified in a free and democratic society. It cannot be demonstrably justified that if you see Tom a thief something out of your house, you cannot go on social media and say Tom is a thief. Nothing can go so. Not a thing can go so unless we live in a dictatorship. And so the police should know, and I'm not speaking about my case, I'm speaking in general terms now. The police should know that when the police acts recklessly, and when people like me 119 take action, a fool no money, a phone taxpayer dollar have go in my pocket. And so I'm going to mount a constitutional challenge to this law. And it's going to cost a lot. It's going to take a lot of money. And so I'm going to come back and beg on some money. 119 is going to come and beg for the first time because we don't have to contribute to the 119 legal fund. I will be standing up for every citizen of Jamaica. Every citizen of Jamaica who wants the right to express yourself through any media. I will be standing up for you. And I want you to put one little thing together and ready up for me there when I come. Because I am coming. I am going to fight. 119 is a fighter by nature. And I them you see me and me love. Me is not just a mama man, you know. Me is a drama man too. Me is a mama man and a drama man. And me love a drama. Me love a courthouse business. Me love a law business. So when I don't take on 119, are the wrong somebody who not take on 119.
Oh, come here. Epic family begging a second, man. No, come here. First and foremost, me know a lot of people not like him. Me know for a fact a lot of people not like him. I post several videos and me have several people in my inbox, in my DM, in my WhatsApp. Epic him chat too much. Epic me not like him. Epic him eat kitty for no reason. This, that, and the third. You understand me? That's not what this is about. As for the video in question, I don't know what video it is because I don't keep up with his platform. First and foremost, let's put that out there. I don't keep up with his platform. So I don't know the video in question. So I can't speak on if his constitutional rights were breached, yes or no. Just like you, I'm waiting on the details. As he said, it's a pending case and he can't speak directly on the case because the matter is in the court. We know how that go. You understand me? When I have to wonder if I lie him a tell because he's out on bail, so you know how that go. I think it's May 12 is the court case, the court date. You understand me? What I can speak on though, whether you like him, yes or no, he is not an idiot. Remember, he is a journalist by occupation. Meaning say, him have sense, him have qualification. You understand me? So separate and aside from your feelings for this man, him have sense. And if this was a story, if he was reading a story or watching a movie, what he just did a while ago would be considered foreshadowing. Him man basically tell you, say, him a go step in their neck. Him a go step in them neck. He man tell us say last police try him, $2 million dig down off of him. And that one ya bigger something. Him man say him a go crush the cyber act. Think what him man say, no? And a baby something him man just say out of mouth, you know. Him can't speak directly, you know. But me know na an idiot. Me know na have sense. It may not make $1, but me know na have sense. Me know say, and all of the parents and money on the amount when they go to school, no mind the amount some, but me sure none the amount all. Make we watch this how it play out now. Make we pray this and see how it play out now. May 12, we will be keeping up with 119. But in true Father Epic farm, I wouldn't be Father Epic if me never said this. Isn't it ironic how 119 was called on 119? That's all me I say. Drop your thoughts and take it in the comment section. Father Epic World on YouTube. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Father Epic TV on Facebook. Hold on the like button or hold on the follow button. The options will pop up. Click favorite so you can get the video when they drop. As they drop, say don't miss a beat. See, pray. With that being said, this is where the video ends. Excuse me? Chow breadcrumbs. What catch you there? Excuse me?